Hit Bangladesh. Bangladesh to Australia. Okay. Australia to South Africa. South Africa to New Zealand. New Zealand to Pakistan. Pakistan to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka to England. England to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka fall down. Sri Lanka out of the World Cup. And England to Pakistan. Pakistan to New Zealand. New Zealand to South Africa. South Africa to Australia. Australia to Bangladesh. Bangladesh nearly fall down. Bangladesh is still alive. Bangladesh to India. India to Bangladesh again. India to Bangladesh again. Bangladesh is still alive. Bangladesh surviving. And Bangladesh to Australia. Australia to South Africa. South Africa to New Zealand. New Zealand to Pakistan. New Zealand to Pakistan. New Zealand to Pakistan. England out of the World Cup. England out of the World Cup. And Pakistan to New Zealand. New Zealand to Pakistan. New Zealand to South Africa. South Africa is still alive. New Zealand to Australia. Bangladesh to India. India is still good at World Cup. Bangladesh is still alive. Bangladesh to Australia out of the World Cup. And is still Bangladesh surviving. Bangladesh to South Africa. South Africa to New Zealand. New Zealand out of the World Cup. New Zealand out of the World Cup. Is still Pakistan to South Africa. Pakistan to South Africa. South Africa to Bangladesh. দেখতে পাচ্ছি Bangladesh, India এবং India to Bangladesh to South Africa. South Africa is still alive. South Africa to Pakistan. Pakistan is still surviving. Pakistan surviving. Bangladesh. South Africa to Bangladesh. Bangladesh to India. India is still good at Bangladesh. India to Bangladesh. Bangladesh hits South Africa. South Africa to Pakistan. Pakistan to India. Oh no, South Africa out of the World Cup at semi-final. And is still alive. Pakistan alive. Bangladesh alive. India alive. Semi-final. Yes, Pakistan to Bangladesh. Bangladesh to India. India is still alive. Bangladesh still alive. Semi-final round. Bangladesh to Pakistan. Pakistan to Bangladesh. Look at Bangladesh dying. India to Bangladesh to Pakistan. And finally, final. And India final. India to hit Bangladesh. Bangladesh is still alive. Bangladesh to India. Final round. And then see who won the World Cup. Bangladesh is still alive. Bangladesh is still alive. India. And India to Bangladesh. India to Bangladesh. India World Cup 2016. Bangladesh out of the World Cup. Congratulations, India.